Hello everybody, children of Grange, year 3 and 4, and all of the Grange community. Welcome to the Headteacher CCCU assembly. And we know what we're about at Grange. We really care. We have a great caring attitude. We're always trying our best. We're always learning, especially from our mistakes. We feel horrible sometimes when we make a mistake. We don't give up. We say, what can I learn from my mistake? And then we go for improvement and progress. How can I do better? How can I use everything I learn, all my education, to help me to make great choices? And I never give up because I am a CC learner. And that's what Grange is all about. The CC way, confidence and consideration. We care about ourselves. We look after ourselves. We look out for ourselves. We want the best for ourselves. And we love our beautiful planet and everybody in it and all the things around it. And we really care. We're going to make a great contribution. So, who are Grange pupils of power? Well, first of all, in year 4, we've got all our new hamsters arriving at Grange. I know Luna, and then I don't know the names of the other 2. They're yet to be named. But all of our Grange children just welcomed the hamsters, made them feel safe and happy, even though it's been quite a difficult transition for them. They've had to come to a new home. So well done to everybody showing the hamsters how to be calm, how to feel safe and happy, because we feel safe and happy and we're calm. So all the children who do the CC walking, CC salute, you fill me with hope. That's brilliant. Well done, everybody. And the superpower, the character strength that we want to talk about today is keeping ourselves safe. Now, I know there are superpowers or like superheroes that you see in comics and you see in the movies, and they can do things like make themselves invisible and fly and all that kind of stuff. But actually, real superpowers are the superpowers that really make a difference in our human lives. And being able to keep ourselves safe, to keep ourselves feeling safe and being safe, that is an incredible power. Now, at Grange, we do CC walking. We say to ourselves, yes, I am part of Grange and I will be my best and I'm ready to embrace the challenge. We do star sitting. We know that our school is really important and everything we learn is really important. We sit up straight and we really learn, we try our best. And we know nobody else can live our best life for us. Each of us has to live our best life. How are we going to keep ourselves safe? So we haven't done feedback time for a while. Now I'm going to say a massive shout out to Anna's class and also Holmes' class. You're pretty good at this. It is getting feedback to me. So right here is where adults, you can pause the video to discuss this with the children. And I'm just going to say, Anna's class, look at this. Anna's class, you've got your assembly book. I'm going to get it back to you so you can do your feedback. So we know that when you're not feeling safe, when your feelings are too much, when you're just like worried about things, when you just think, what am I going to do? I've got a massive problem here. We know that telling or talking to a trusted adult can really help you to feel safe. But who is a trusted adult? Who are these trusted adults that you can talk to and tell that will make you feel safe? So, parents, carers, brothers, sisters, extended family, yes, those can be your trusted people to talk to. Like me, when I have a problem, when I don't feel safe because I'm worried and my head's full of thoughts, then sometimes I just, my trusted adult is my brother in America. I just WhatsApp him and we have a discussion. He's like my trusted adult that I want to talk to. And I know he'll think about me and look out for me and make me feel safe. But who do we have at Grange that can really make you feel safe? Well, think about the adults that you work with every day. And you know what? For me, I've been a head teacher a lot of schools. And before I was a teacher, head of department in different schools, the point is Grange is my favorite because the adults in Grange, the teachers, the educators, the adults who work in Grange, they are just so caring and kind. And also they know that everybody should feel safe and happy and they work their hardest to get there. So if you are in class, you have got a teacher and educator in class. Sometimes you're even lucky you've got more than one educator in class. Those are trusted adults. What happens when you tell a trusted adult at Grange what's worrying you about what's making you feel not safe? Well, that trusted adult, all of them have done training, will listen to you. Nobody's ever going to tell you off for sharing something that's worrying you, that's making you feel unsafe. They will listen to you and reassure you. What they will do is they will think, how can I help you to feel safe? And the most important part is they will always share with the right people, the right adults at Grange, what you have shared so that you can be safe. And now I wrote, how do we sort things out at Grange? Well, we always sort of think to ourselves, what can we do to make you feel safe? So maybe you've got lots and lots of problems. Sometimes just by listening, just by the fact that you speak it out, you will feel much better. And that already will make you feel safe. Sometimes adults might ask you a few questions. They might give you a suggestion. They might take you to another adult in our school who's like really good at helping. We have Maria, we have Michelle, we have Mr. Amateo. We've got people who can really really good at talking and thinking and coming up with ways. Or what they might do is say, wow, this is really a big issue. It's a big problem for you. Let's work out who we need to involve who can help you to sort out this problem. And that's how we sort things out at Grange. We never leave it. We always look, what do you need to feel safe? And we work on it so that you can be safe. So, Grange, we've got some thoughts is we always want to be friends. When we see somebody who needs support, when we see somebody who needs safety, we say, I'm going to be an ally. Even if you're different to me, I'm going to support you. I'm going to care for you because your problem is my problem. But remember confidence. I can't just take all the problems of the world onto myself. But what I could do is say, wow, that is such a big problem. It's too big for me as your friend to help you with. But come, let's go and talk to our trusted adult, teacher, educator, or you'll see some other people in Grange who you could speak to. Because we're all connected. We all live in the same world. And we all are part of this amazing and wonderful, caring and loving school called Grange. And we have the CC way. I see you for who you are and appreciate all of you. I see me for who I am and appreciate all of that. So if there's a problem, the thing to realize is there are trusted adults who can help you if you tell them and you talk to them. If you are a child and another child shares with you a problem, then the biggest thing to say to yourself is, I need to keep myself safe as well. And the problem might be too big for me because I'm just a child. But again, go and tell a trusted adult and say, I need some help with this. Here are the people at Grange for all the adults, so the adults know where to go if there's a safe, if somebody isn't feeling safe. Starting from the left, we've got Miss Raza. She's in the red corridor. She's a deputy designated safeguarding lead. And often we just shorten designated safeguarding lead to DSL. That means Miss Raza's job is to organize everybody so that everybody is safe. So let's say a child tells an adult something about worried, and then the adult says, right, we need to make sure that this child will be safe. They might talk to Miss Raza. They might talk to me. They might talk to Miss Waite. And then the person who's next to Miss Waite in this poster is Miss Atkinson. And Miss Atkinson is actually our chair of governance. So she isn't in the school all the time, but whenever she meets with me or whenever I'm in a meeting with her, she'll say, Mr. Coble, is everybody safe in the schools? Everybody feeling safe? Does everybody know who they can talk to? Do they know they can talk to their trusted adult? Do they know who their trusted adult is in Grange? Their teacher, their educator, Miss Raza, you, Miss Waite. So that's the point. Nobody just sits with a problem at Grange. Everybody knows they can come to somebody, and if nobody can help them, then they always have to come to me. And my job is, Mr. Kerbal, you have to find a way to help. You have to find a way to help this person feel safe. And that's what I've just got to make sure that I do. But look at, I am so blessed because I've got Miss Raza, Miss Wade, Miss Atkinson, and also all the teachers and educators. I've got so many adults over here that I can share with because we all work together so that all the children of Grange should feel safe. And that's why at Grange we say kindness is strength. And when you are caring enough about a person to make sure that they feel safe, well, that's a way of expressing kindness is strength. And that's a Grange value. And if you feel like it, this is just a superhero kindness task. If you feel like it, you can make a poster, you can design a poster, you make a poster that's all about how our school Grange believes that kindness is strength and what we do to show that kindness is strength. Remember to put your name on it, send it to me. You don't have to do that. That's just if you love art, if you love creating, if you love expressing yourself, that would be amazing to help us in the school. So remember, everybody, if you've got a problem, if you don't feel safe, if your head is full of thoughts and full of worries, talk to a trusted adult and tell them so that they can help you. and work out who that trusted adult is, that adult who really cares about you and looks out for you. So parents and carers, but here in Grange, we're here for you. So your teacher, your educator, or the other adults that are around as well, everybody wants to make sure that you are feeling safe. So hopefully that will help you to feel a bit safer. You know where to go. Right, who are Gold Stars of the Week? Well, we have Tommy and Ruel. Oh, and I just realized something, everybody. I am going to have to send you a second video with just Stars of the Week, because this was the message, but Stars of the Week, I just need to update it. So that's your first one.